Hi, my name is Tony. Do you own this dealership here?
Yeah?
I'm looking for a new set of wheels. Something kind of classy and something that's gonna turn the heads of the ladies, if you know what I mean.
Well, this car is really nice. It runs good on engine, too.
I don't know. It's a little old school. I was thinking about something like that Thunderbird over there. Is it fast?
Yes, it's super duper fast.
Well, maybe I'll take it for a ride.
It has to be super duper fast. Did you know that?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Right.
Apparently I need to renew my driver's license, if you know what I mean.